Ever wonder why you keep putting things off? You're not lazy. Most procrastination comes from fear, perfectionism, or uncertainty, not a lack of willpower. It shows up as delaying tasks or scrolling endlessly. The truth is, your brain resists starting because it wants to avoid discomfort or the possibility of failing. That's why even small tasks feel overwhelming. Here's a quick exercise you can do today. Take one task you have been avoiding and write it down. Then ask yourself, why am I avoiding this? Is it fear, perfectionism, or uncertainty? Now break that task into the smallest possible first step. Just one action, no pressure to finish it all. The goal is momentum, not perfection. Once you take that first step, your brain rewards you with motivation to keep going. Start small, start today, and watch how one tiny action can lead to real progress. If you want more practical ways to overcome procrastination and build life-changing habits, hit subscribe and grab our free guide in the description. Small steps lead to big results. You've got this.